Hello, Professor. I will give a demo of my final project. Um, so my project comes with two parts: the front end, a web page, and the back end process engine. I've already started them, so I can directly open my application from browser. This will navigate to a login page, so user can either sign up a new user using an email or password, or they can sign up or sign in with their Google account. I'll sign in with my Google account. Okay. Okay, now this will navigate to a main page, and from there user can navigate to different page: explore page, dashboard page, and profile page. And from profile page, user can see all the necessary information like the user's image, the email address, and the dashboard is a playground for user to add virtualized charts out of their data source. So now we can see there is no chart available, and we can add a new chart. So this will redirect us to explore page. So explore page, I'll give a brief description about this page. So from here, we can add mirrors, we can add dimensions, we can add segment, we can add time. So mirrors means numerical data tab. So if you click it, you can see it's all about the count of the data in database. And dimensional data is more like a categorical data tab. It's like the field, uh, the field of the data in database, like model years, genres, late name. And segment is more like you can select a duration, select the limitation, and time is more like a timestamp tab in database. And in the future, we can add some future. I will show it later. So first, let's select a very simple example, like select the order count. So it will by default give us a chart, a line chart. It's showing all the order counts over the time. Okay, we can add some. If we interest more like the order over last year, we can from time we can select last year, right? And we can add more narrow data, or we can add a category data, like for example the order status. Okay. So now and we can change the chart type, so from table to a pie. Okay, this gives you a chart to show the order status, and then we can add these to our dashboard, name it like order status. Okay, now see we have this chart available in our dashboard, and we can resize it, and we can edit it or delete it based on the user's requirements. And we can go back to explore, add more. So the beauty of this application is we can select any type of data, and we can choose different type of charts. Right now this application supports line, area, bar, pie, table, and number. And we can sort them by different order, and we can choose the pivot. So now I'll give you a more complex example, still using the order counts, but this time we can narrow it to order over last year, and we want to add more categorical information like order status, and we're going to change it to like a line. Okay, now we have three different lines. It shows the count of complete order, count of shipped order, and count of processing order. if you only see, if you only want to see like a shipped order, we can add a feature here, name it like a order status equal shipped. It's going to give us a shipped order, right? Okay, that's like this line. Oh, sorry. Okay, update to fix this error. Okay. Okay, now I will show you. We have another feature. We can we can upload new data to backend side and allow backend process engine to parse the data and persist them in database. Okay, we can like click here, select file you want to update. I will choose data I got from Kaggle. This movie data. Okay, see it's a process very quick, and the movie is successful upload, and we can select the movie from database, and we can add as more mirror to show more information, like the movie more dimensional data, like movie years, like movie genres, movie name, Rotten Tomato score, and audience score. Okay, and we can read this. Again, we add this like movie table to our dashboard. Okay, I think that's pretty much of my application. So you can always select different data, and it give much more flexibility and power to allow the user to analyze the data out of database and give a very straightforward insight and virtualize of the data. I believe it will be very useful for data analytics. Thank you. That will be all. And I can log out.